Morning squad. We're back in the building. Let's go. Let's just get some tunes on, and then we'll be ready to go. Let's just get this off. Dreamer wild snuff is the night. Do 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 do. Okay, lovely. Let's go. Let's get a playlist on. We'll try this one this time.
Since I've taken a more laid-back approach to fixing cars,
shut up.
better at trading with eToro.
Okay. Welcome squad. This is the London live stream. We are back in the building again. Tell me if the music's too loud. And then we can start doing this, squad. Wow, okay. Let's start from scratch. Let's just get this all running 1 second. Alright. Looking good on the stream. All the buttons looking nicely as well. Lovely. Morning, lads. Let's get it. New week, new goals. Yes, sir. Let's do this shit. I'll do a video on Instagram, and then we'll be ready to analyze the markets here. 15-minute time frame. Let's have a look for a second. Ooh, this 30-minute looks alright. Welcome everyone. Welcome in the chat. If you guys are new here, make sure to come join this squad. We are live now, live on YouTube. Come join the fun. New week, new goals. Let's get it. Amazing. So you had a good weekend. Hope you all had a good weekend. Had a nice relaxing one. But yeah, missed the chart, so it's time to get back on that bitch. Let's see if Antonio's on it. No, he's not. So GJ, let's have a look at it. Ooh, last candle we actually closed bearish. Damn. But let's just start with a fresh analysis here. Let's just get a bit of Coca-Cola in me, and we'll do our fresh analysis. If you guys are in the Discord, make sure to put in your charts in the charts for the stream. We can get going for this, okay? Right, so let's have a start here. This is the daily flip at this point. Let's do this daily flip. Okay, we got the daily flip on. Let's look at the 4 hour over here. 4 hour is the moment it is bullish, kind of making support on like the 4 hourly. You can see here, I can see there's a bit of support over here. 1 second. Yeah, I can see there's a little bit of support which has been formed. So you need to see how we react off this zone at that point. So yeah, let's go into it a bit further, deep into it a bit further. Let's look at the hourly time frame over here. We made a solid hourly candle on support. Let's have a look at the 30 minute. 30 minutes is going to close in 1 minute 50 time. It's going to close bearish at this point, which is a bit annoying. Let's have a look at the 15. Yeah, so now we can start giving a bit of a picture here. We can see we have a support at this zone, which I'll draw right here. Actually, I'll draw a bit further up, like here. So we've got a support at this line, and we've got a resistance probably above here, to be honest. This is this resistance line that I can see, because you can see before we've tapped it here, we broke above it here, made a little support on it right here, and then resistance again, and then resistance again. So this is the kind of zone that we're in. But if we do get solid closures above here, it's going to be nice for some buyers at that point. So 30-minute candle is going to close in a minute's time. Let's take a look at Forex Factory first as well, and then we can have a look and see. So we've got construction PMI, is US bank holiday. But that's okay because you don't trade any USD pairs. So today, if you're trading GBP USD, that's fine. But later on, in like 11:30, try not to trade those pairs because it is a bank holiday at that point. I got some nice coffee as well. Let's go. If you guys haven't liked the stream already and you're new over here, make sure to join the squad. We're doing magic keys giveaways, all that good stuff. Let's just see this. Let's see the chat as we're coming up. Morning. Welcome everyone. I think we're early today. So yeah, at the moment we're in this consolidation, but I do think if we do get closures above this zone over here, so at about 152,200. So let's just do this over here. Buys above 152,200. They're going to look pretty solid, I think, for us guys. So this is where I'll be focusing on. 15-minute candles over here. They keep on ranging, nothing too much. 30 minutes just closed bearish. But yeah, we are in this range. This is kind of a no trade zone over here, unless you want to get in early, but it's quite risky. For me, definitely these zones above here would be nice. And for sells at this point, sells are going to be looking good, you know, if you do start exceeding these lows and closing below, because also it will be below the blue line and the red line and the yellow line, which will be me that we're in a bearish structure. So let's do this over here. 4-hour flip. Nice. Ooh. Antonio's in the building. Yes, sir. Hello, my boy.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm good, my man.
Good morning.
I'm good, my boy. How you been doing? How was the weekend?
Chilling, bro. Just hella uni work.
I bet. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm about to graduate this December.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What do you do at uni?
Media and journalism.
Wow, geez, that's fire. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's but I prefer trading.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think that's with everything, and it's like fuck. I could just do this, bro. So the moment, it looks like this 30 minutes pulling up over here. I like this though. I do like how the hourly's making support, but obviously you can't have any trades really in here. You have to wait. Especially with the 4-hour doing this. So yeah, this is GJ. Let's have a look at some other pairs over here, guys, and then I'll look at some charts in the Discord. You wouldn't consider 152 280 as strong resistance. Let's have a look over here. 280 over here. Yeah, so you could do that, but what I expect is, you know, London volume. So London volume's going to come in. When we do get to 280 at this point, my stop loss will be at break even. So for me, it doesn't really matter. Because I know when we get to this point, I'll be in 9 pips profit. I'm going to be ready to secure pips there. And with the London volume, I expect to exceed this, especially because it's the hourlies. I suppose you could put it there. It's just, for me, I feel I could get buys of 152 200. But you could easily just do this and wait for buys above here. But for me, I'm happy to take trades there, because I know with volume we should get to these highs over here, and my stop loss will be a break even at that point, so not too bothered about that. Could you let's have a look at these. Hey mate, I've been trading the way you trade, but I haven't had a good percentage gain. What would you suggest me to do? So how much are you risking per lot? And is it, are you trading the NY as well? Because at the moment there hasn't been that many London trades, to be honest. It's been quite rangy for this like last week was pretty bad for that. But yeah, I think the main thing that you need to focus on is also doing the NY just for 1 or 2 hours, for sure, which is what I'm going to go through. So when you're above the daily and 4-hour line, you're looking for buys, and below is the one sells. Yeah, it's not as easy as that, but yeah, like I mean, if the 4-hour and the daily have like a big gap between them, that is normally like a no trade range for me, because they're contradicting themselves. But for the most part, yeah, keeping them on the higher time frame bias is what I like, to be honest, for sure. So yeah, we're just looking at these sells over here. It's looking like we're rejecting these highs at this point. But yeah, definitely sells below this zone. If we do get sells here, I'll be targeting these wicks to fill, which is 10 pips away, and then continue 20 pips. So yeah, it's looking alright. It's looking alright. So let's just check some other pairs over here. Let's look at gold. Gold normally on a Monday after NFP is normally quite good fun, to be honest. That's just for me back testing it. Let's have a look from Asian. Yeah, so you can see we came down over here, came back up. Wow, look at that. It's doing a madness. So at the moment here, you can see, let's look at the daily time frame over here. At the moment we are bearish. We closed solid bullish though. Before, with that big NFP news, it was a huge spike. It's like 130 pip spike. I was like, damn son, that's fire. But yeah, so for me at this point, you can see we are in this little range at this point. Very easy range. You know, sells below 1825 are going to be pretty nice with closures. And we're looking for buys. I mean, potentially above the daily flip. So like here's kind of a zone, or you could wait for 29. Let's have a look at the hourly over here. Ooh, this is quite nice, this hourly flipping over here. Oh, damn. Oh shit, that's actually quite good. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, and 4 hour making support as well. Ooh, I quite like this. So for me, look at the 50-minute time frame. Sells is going to be good above this zone at this point. So above 1828 because that'll flip the hourly candle. Yeah, for me that looks quite a good potential, to be honest. So we'll have to see over here. Let's have a look at some other stuff. 1 second. Could you explain the difference between impulse and normal entries? Yeah, so normal entries, like for me, would be like this. So a normal entry would be where candles closing. Let me just do this. So you know, this candle maybe comes up over here. We get a closure. The closure is the kind of signal that we're really good here for buys. And wait for the lower wick, and then when this flips, this is a normal entry. Okay, this is a normal, nice entry. You know, clean candles to the left. There you go. An impulse for this would be that if price now at this point runs up, hits this zone, and then still continues, and you just take a buy here, expecting the volume to just keep on pushing it straight away in one candle. That's more of an impulse. So impulses are very, very hard because you don't get the closure, so you don't know if it's going to reject it. So they're a lot more riskier. USD holiday, yes sir. So for GBP USD, it'll be alright for London Open, but later on it won't be the best. US bank holiday will not affect gold movement. Yeah, it could. Yeah, it could do. We are in the London session though, but yeah. So for gold, maybe stay out of it. That's a good point. But I mean, if it's still an option there, it's all right because it's in the London session. If you see NY will be quite slow today. But London session is still open. London session normally gives a bit of volume, and I like the way this is setting up, to be honest. But yeah, we'll have to wait for GJ as well. But yeah, let's carry on over here. So let's take a look. I'll do GBP AUD because there's no point looking at GBP USD really because of the bank holiday. I don't really want to look at those pairs. Ooh, okay. Wow, it's still in this range that I did on Friday. Damn. So daily time frame over here. You can see we're in this little consolidation from last week's. Let's have a look over here. So last candle, yeah, we had some sick sells on GBP AUD that people got. It was fire. So this is the structure that we're at the moment. The 4 hours just exceeded the low of the previous, which is a bit annoying. Let's look at the hourly over here. Here we go. So see, there's resistance at this top over here. Pretty big resistance at this point. But you can see, what am I going to say? Like, what am I going to say? What I just said before. Have a look at the colourful lines. So why is it not really my favourite to take any trades in this area? So this is kind of a no trade zone for me. Someone tell me in the YouTube. Someone tell me in the YouTube. I think it's better to avoid gold today as we have USD holiday. Facts. Good use of discipline there as well. Why is this a no trade zone? This little area here, look, from here to here. I think it's like 20-second delivery on a live stream. We'll see. Is the mentorship started? No, next Sunday. It's coming, which will be interesting. But anyway, people are not replying. But anyway, so the reason why I don't like this area is because the blue line, the yellow line, the price is above the yellow line, but it is not above the blue line. Therefore, higher time frames are contradicting. Look, daily's bullish, 4 hour is bearish. So I kind of want to stay away trades that are in this zone at that point. So for me, it'll be looking like sells at. Let's have a look over here. Sells below at this point, and buys above this point. And then we just have to wait. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. Oh, let's take a look at GJ over here. This is flipping the 30-minute candle. The hourly candle, sorry. Even though it's a no trade range. So if you got into a trade here just to fill up the range. 11 pips, 20 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad. Just joined. Lovely. Welcome, guys. 30-minute salary play possible. Yeah, you could do. Expect the price to push in the range. The only issue is there's lots of traffic to the left. So you could get in here. So if you got in at this point, you know, if you do exceed these highs, maybe stop loss. Yeah, 8 pip stop for a 8 pip gain. Could be alright. Morning, how was NFP for you? My NFP was nice. Let's have a look at what I got over here. I actually had, where was it? I actually had some sells here. Where was it? Yeah, this 4-hour closed bearish, rejecting these highs again. I let it make its top wick, and then with the volume, I know that GJ does run quite a bit. I had sell stops below here, and yeah, I caught this move. So I caught like 20 pips in 10 seconds, and I closed at 840. Where's 840? Yeah, literally here. So I was quite lucky with stuff like that. But that was just a bit of fun on NFP. How's your girlfriend today? She's great. She's great. Actually, I'll need to message her. Fuck. Yeah, I went to Leeds. It was vibey. It was good shit. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure you like the stream. Nice. I got 60 pips in buy golds. Damn. Damn. That's fire. 60 pips. Damn. Did you not get slipped? I know a lot of people have got slipped like shit. Raja got slipped to fuck. Oh, look at this. This potential for gold over here is pretty nice. I like this. So when we wait for a closure at this point, the 30 minutes exceeded high. 30 minutes area play on gold should be looking nice right now at this point. Look at the hourly candle making its low wicks start to exceed. It could be good. Sean's back. I didn't, surprisingly. That's great then. Fucking hell. Yeah, those gold buys. Damn, like 130 pips. That shit's fire. Why is there so less volume these days in GJ? It used to move so well. I think there's still volume. It's just you have to be you have to get it at the right time. But yeah, we're just chilling at these highs over here. This is the trade at this point. But this trade I was waiting for all day. I was on Control FX's stream and we were waiting for closures above this zone 725. Never got them, and then yeah, just finished the stream, and then at 2 o'clock finally did. But for me, there was no trade there because it literally just shot up a one candle. So you can't trade stuff like that. You can't guess when that's gonna happen. Let's have a look. Why is there so less? Yeah, so let's have a look at some charts. Let's see if there's any charts on the live the Discord over here. As I said before, guys, you still haven't done the server rules here. Make sure you do it. 155 of people have done it out of 191. So still like 40 people who literally can't see anything. Like all these people, I am handy. He can't see anything. If you've got a green name next to you, you can see it. But if you don't have that, you're pretty goose. You need to click that button. Carla bot's working. Let's go. So let's have a look at the stream over here. Let's have a look at stream for the charts. She's looking at buys above 152, 290, lovely stuff. Potential sells below at 151,900. Yep, beautiful. Because if you do get into this zone and close below, you're going to be filling up that range. Yeah, to 151,660. That's really good analysis over here. Whoever sent this, really good. So you are more happy to go at buys with 152,300 level. Amazing. Let's have a look at Pitbull Kim's as well. No trade range. Risky buys 152, 170. Yep, so that's what we were looking at. And then a lot cleaner buys at 152, 2960. I love it. 296. Sorry. Beautiful. Very easy for GJ today. And now you just have to be patient and wait for it. Wait for the setups. Damn, rank 2. Slime Water is firing over that. But yes, we got a closure over here. Oh, look at this candle pushing. It's looking pretty fire, to be fair. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the stream, make sure to like it and follow it. We've nearly hit 1,000 subscribers, and that is when the giveaway is. So, did you make any trade? Not yet. I'm still waiting patiently. I'm looking for trades above the zone at this point. Let's look at the 30. Let's just move that down a bit more. Oh no, but there's this that I don't like. That's what I have over there. Yeah. But yeah, with volume, I think we should be good here. We're kind of making support here. Tap the daily, flip again, and started rinsing back up. That's good. 30 minute. If it does exceed, I mean, it could be quite a good option here. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. What's your outlook on GU? Yeah, I'll do GU for you guys. But for me today, it's going to be quite hard on GU because USD holiday, but no fret. Let's have a look over here. So let's take a look at the daily time frame at this point over here. Okay, so we're just tapping this resistance at this point. Can you see? So can you see this zone was quite a big resistance point. So you need to see, we just could be just making the lower wick. So this is quite good potential because we could be just making the lower wick to then come up and then exceed and then come up back to the next zone like this. So as long as the lower wick and this daily doesn't exceed the low of the previous, it's looking good for buys at this point. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour starting to make some support. Can you see where it's made support on? It's made support right on resistance. So it was resistance. Now it could be acting as support at this point. Wow. So for me, let's have a look at the smaller time frames at this point. Okay. So sells are going to be probably nice below this zone. Or you could get sells just below here. Because this is a media line. If this support line gets broken, sell's going to be quite nice there at this point. Especially with this 4 hour making a top wick and then exceeding, that could be good. To then continue back down to these zones at this point over here. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, let me just mark this up a bit better. There we go. So here, if you're looking for sells, maybe 1.38440 back to this low 19 pip zone. And for buys, I want these candles to flip. For buys, for me, probably it'd be over this resistance over here. So 1.38700 would be nice. And that's what you have to wait for patiently. But yeah, as I said, GU could be quite slow today because of the volume. We're gonna have to wait for them to get to them zones. But yeah, we've got 30 minutes left of this hourly candle. It hasn't given us much yet, so we have to wait. I sent a chart in the chat. Lovely. Let's take a look over here. Gold making support. Potential sells below 1825. Potential buys well respected level if we look to the left. Yeah, really good idea. Yeah, buys above 1832 are going to be looking pretty nice, I think. Even at this point, we can support here. A lot of people will be getting into buys at this point. It is a good idea, to be honest. Especially that low wick was formed and start exceeding. Could have it, you know, it's like a 30 pip stop though, which is a bit annoying. Oh, it's 25 pip stop, I think. It isn't too bad. We got Brian here, 152,200 level. We've got 9 pip. If we break resistance, we'll have a good range, but buys are too tight. Yeah, for sure, that's good, that's good. Be careful, strong resistance at this point. Lovely. Yeah, so for me, the reason why I don't really care about that resistance is because at that point, at 9 pips, I'll be already at stop loss to break even, so. And I expect the lemon volume to push it. Sells look nice as ranges are bigger. Yeah, that's good idea. Solid. So we've all got the same idea, which is really good. When you have the same idea as people, it helps a lot. But look at this hourly candle over here. Come on, exceed this high over here. We'll be looking nice. But yeah, this 4 hour need to get out of this range. So if we do start breaking above on these highs over here, let's actually just see where we can actually target. Let's have a look on the hourly to get a bit more. Let's have a look over here. So if you do break above here, when we pushed it before, like here, it hit these zones. You can see there's resistance at this point. So what I'm looking at here, guys, is this. So you can see here and here. When price pushed up from here, it came all the way up, tapped the zone, and then went down. Same thing here, it came down, it came reversed, tapped the zone. So this is the next zone here. So it looks like 152,400 is the is the level that we are looking for, which could be quite juicy. But I'm liking this hourly flip. I mean, people getting into buys here can kind of be reasonable here. Look at this 15-minute at this point. It's looking nice. It's looking nice, to be honest. It's just a lot of traffic to the left. The reason why I'm not too happy with GJ is because there's a lot of traffic. But if you do start exceeding these highs with the salary play, it could be good over here because the hourly will be pushing up. We'll be filling up this range. You expect price of volume to start pushing up. Antonio, what are you looking at, my boy, today?
Just looking at GJ for right now. Honestly, not really looking at gold because I know gold might not move too much.
Yeah.
So yeah, just waiting for buys above 152,297.
Yeah, for
closures.
sure.
Mm-hmm.
So if you get closures here, Yeah, it's about 10 pips. That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah.
Someone was saying their sells are a lot juicier, and I do agree with them actually. I mean, to be honest, not even sells below here because there's lots of traffic here, which is annoying. I hate this. To be fair, what time is this? Oh, this is where news was. So I'm actually going to take that with a pinch of salt, to be honest. If you do start dropping in this zone over here, yeah, we've got 11 pips in that zone anyway, filling up these wicks, and then after that, it's just kind of break-even trade over this point. But yeah, if we do start breaking above the, if you can't break above here and we start closing down here, the reason why I like this is because look at this zone, these clean wicks to this point. This is because of news, but yeah, 33 pip drop back down to the zone. That'll be absolutely tasty. Yeah, that'll be pretty nice, to be honest. Damn. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, 5 minutes starting to creep up over here. We've tapped the daily flip at this point. Now we should be starting to run up a bit more. But yeah, we're waiting. When is the London? So we've got 8 minutes time at this point. I mean, if you do get a candle closure over here, it's gonna look pretty tasty. For sure. But yeah, guys, if you haven't given a like on the stream yet, make sure you like the stream. We're here every single weekday. And yeah, I actually filmed 2 videos yesterday, last week, and one of them I uploaded it, and then I looked at it and the quality was so bad in it. I don't know what happened with it, but I was well annoyed with that. What up, squad? What up, squad? GU longs, people are saying. Let's have a look over here. There's no longs for me at the moment. You have to wait for this hourly to maybe flip and exceed the zone high, then it's making support on the zone over here. GJ, I mean, buys at this point could be quite interesting, especially with the celery play over here. But it's how you gonna manage risk over here. Yeah, 7 pips stop. But the only issue is, you know, you've got a big range over here. It's quite choppy. If these were clean candles over here, it'd be delicious. But it's a lot harder. For me, though, I still do think buys are still valid today. And if you look on the daily time frame, I'm at my zone here, 152,400 we can tap, but we could also tap these highs over here, so 152.70. But yeah, look at these daily candles. I mean, people just trading the daily, fucking hell, absolutely delicious. Apart from like that one, you would re-end. But if you like started like here, you took a buy when the low's made. I mean, it's pretty solid. And the low's normally made in Asian. But look at all these. These are just moving up every day, like nicely. Pretty decent. Even with the sells here, I mean, if you if you do these sells, like fucking hell, I mean, so easy to trade on. The only trade you couldn't really get in would probably be this one here, because like you close, make the low wick, and the low wick never really flips it. So you wouldn't really get in. So like even this strategy, people try it on the daily time frame. It probably could work, to be honest, pretty solidly.
Yeah, it's pretty accurate on the daily, for real.
Yeah, like shit. I was just thinking, like, so if you got in on this candle, I mean, obviously your stop loss is gonna be too big here, but you wait for the low wick to form through Asian, which is normally what happens. It's like a 40 pip stop, and then gain.
Probably would have to use current candle stops.
Yeah, you'd have to, because obviously he is fucking 200 pips
Yeah.
stop. And then up to these 1-to-1. But it's just the same as 10 pips. It's just like, what's the fucking point?
Facts.
Like, I'll have to wait all day for this.
Facts.
Like here, let's have a look at. So if I got in here, this is current candle, 63 pips, and it only moved up 30. So that's like me being in a 10 pip trade and it going up 5 pips. Yeah. It's hard. It's a hard one. When we make the video about your experience with fun and talent, it's coming for sure. First of all, I need to sort out why my my editing software has been in, like fucking like Minecraft pixels. It looks like shit. I filmed it in 1080p in 60 frames and shit, and then it just comes out like fucking garbage. I'm like, oh bro, really? When I'm just about to like fucking launch it, like oh. But yeah, I'll do a video on that, and then I might do a fun and talent, not fun and talent, FTMO one. I might, I'm gonna go check out their website this week actually. Max, did you take your day in the life down? Yeah, I did, specifically for that reason, because The quality on it is gas, so I'm gonna have to sort that out today. Is it me, or do you find that GJ trades will break structure recently and the trades will still work out? Yeah, that happened quite recently, but if you go on my Instagram, there's also been times where it's done that, it's broken out, and then it reverses. So, you know, and also with the later months, hell no, shit's hard. Someone's saying, what are you looking at today? Today I'm looking at kind of GJ buys above 152.200. I'm actually waiting for this candle to close. If you do get a solid candle closure here and wait for a lower wick, it could be potential, but normally this zone here is a no trade zone because it's a bit choppy on the left. But we'll see for this closure over here. Let's see where gold's heading up. Oh, look at that rejection. Shit, look at that. That zone was like, hell no. So this is a really good example of waiting for candles to close over here. Before I said, you know, an impulse is when we just rinse off here. Someone could have taken impulse. I hope no one did, but someone could have taken impulse on here, exceeding these highs. And look at it now. Oof. That's why waiting for candles to close and waiting for low wicks are very, very important. I don't just say it, I mean it. But yeah, at this point, so we are in this range, but if you do get closures below here, it's going to be looking nice for some sells. I mean, let me just make this a bit better. Was this? Oh, this is Asian, don't really care about that. Let's have a look. Highly recommend to increase the size of monitor section on the stream. Too small, can't see the details. Yeah, I have been thinking about that. I think I'm going to be doing that this week. For sure. It depends what you watch it on. Like, if I watch it on, like on a normal monitor, I think it's fine. But I think if people are watching it on their, like, phones and shit, it's pretty crap. So for sure I'll do that. Ooh, look at this rejection on GJ. It's having none of it. It's having none of it. Damn. So we've got still 8 minutes left. Not 8 minutes, 3 minutes left for this candle to close. We're gonna see where this GJ closed over here, but isn't looking good for them. Continued buys. The hourly is gonna close. The hourly, you know, not much volume at this point. We're gonna have to wait very, very patiently. But yeah, that's mad how gold just did that. Damn. I feel we would have got slapped there. We don't want GU to make a top wick. Hasn't made a top wick on this hourly candle, so that's pretty mad as well. When we are looking for the flip to happen on higher time frame, what indicators are we looking at lower time frame? Closures above, closures below. The flip is just giving me an idea. I don't really care. I don't enter a trade just because it's flipped. I enter the trade like when we get candle closures, but the flip's giving me kind of a confluence. You know, it's like someone using like a fib or something. I just like it when the candle flips because it shows that higher time frame starting to go in our direction. It's just a good way of doing it. It's a good way of doing it for sure. So yeah, how many accounts blown in FX? Oh, probably like 10 or like 12 or some shit. Probably. Probably like 10 grand's worth when I was younger. So yeah, if you want to talk about blowing accounts, I'm probably your guy. To be fair, anyone that's done trading for a while always has to go through that patchy part at the start if they don't have a mentor, which is what I did. So.
Facts. That's like, that's how you learn really in the beginning if you don't have a mentor.
Yeah, facts. Like you'd because you're just by yourself. Like if you're just losing, like bro, how like it's just hard. It's a hard experience. But you have to learn it yourself anyway. Really, you have to lose a bit of money first to kind of.
Facts.
You kidding? No, bro, not kidding. People who say they haven't blown accounts are lying. You have to do it to learn, trust me. Wow, 28 likes already for 8 o'clock. Amazing, guys. If you haven't liked the stream already, make sure you bash that like button. We're waiting on GJ over here. 40 seconds left. We'll see at this point. Still nothing for me at this point, though. Alright, let's have a look over here. GU cover, I'm out. I learned about blowing an account while gold. Gold is an account maker and breaker. That's fucking true. Oh yes. Gold Gold is a different gravy, let's just say that. But the thing is, a lot of people are attracted to using gold at the start. I'm like, bro, you don't know, bro, you don't know. Just you wait until you get slapped, and you'll fucking hate gold for the rest of your life. If you don't take profits, bro, you're fucked there. Right, GJ coming down over here. Damn, son. Okay. Hourly close bearish at this point. Okay, we'll be flipping the higher time frames, which is going to be interesting. I'll have to see over here. Wait for this kind of candle to show me a direction at this point. But yeah, sells below here. 151,980 going to be looking good. Let's take a look at some other trades over here. Oh shit! Look at GU. Look at the 4 hour flipping. 4 hour flipping hourly close, or didn't really close below, which was kind of on support, which is a bit annoying. Look at GJ over here pushing. I got magic keys on. Let me get that bitch on. Let's look at 30-minute for GJ. Yeah, it's just still chilling here. It doesn't really have a direction at this point. It's kind of like, where the hell do I want to go, man? But when we start getting direction, we'll know. Let's have a look here in the chat. I didn't have an account. Can you explain how much you made from FOREX Classic? Probably about like 7 bands, or like 7-8 bands, and that's from like, you know, 2 payouts a monthly. First payment was normally like 350. Second one was like 650, and I've done it for like 8 months. So that's just averages. Some of them are higher, some of them were less. I got a couple 100 pips on gold as well on my fun and talent, so that shit was. Music is loud, dear. Okay, I changed that, my boy. Wait 1 second, trying to get this last. There we go. There we go. Oh, look at this. GU's breaking these lows over here. Damn, son. This is going to be looking juicy. So let's have a look over here. We're breaking this resistance line at this point. I mean, sells below here would be quite nice because it's flipping the 4 hourly. Now we should continue down. As long as we get past these wicks at this point, we should come down and fill this wick up here. But yeah, GU kind of wasn't really the focus today because the fact that we have a USD bank holiday. Let's get my calculator in this bitch. Okay. There we go. 6-figure trader. 6-figure trader. What time frame you usually trade more? Normally enter probably on the 15-minute or 30-minute, and then but I use all time frames for entries. Like I use 4 hour, I use daily, I use hourly. Look at this. This 4 hours exceeding the low of the previous. Oh, this is looking absolutely tasty. Let's look at GBP AUD over here. Kind of making support at this point. You can see the support clearly at this zone over here. Starting to come up. Nice. Gold still waiting for buys above 1828. That would be nice for me. Still not exceed the low of the previous 4 hours, so there's good potential at that point for sure. Yeah, but GJ at the moment just needs to get out and give me some fucking volume. Come on, give me some volume, man. I just scroll up here and make this nice to look at. There we go. Nice. So yeah, so it's pretty decent. And this GJ being in this range here, god damn. I'm liking GA though, making support at that time. The hourly close is pretty solid bearish though, so it's quite hard to get a trade at this point. How much do you make a month on your lot size? It's like, so it's only like 4% a week, so it's like 16%, I'd say. Sometimes, because obviously if you catch 100 pip gold trade, which normally happens every week, every month or every 2 months, that's also like 14% just for one trade. So it varies. Like sometimes it can be, you know, 12, 13%. Sometimes it can, normally on average I'd say it'll be 16, 17, 18%, and then sometimes it can be, you know, 36. So today's a bank holiday on USD. Yeah, that's fine. It's completely fine. It doesn't really matter for us. We're in the London session, so we should be good. We should be good. Wow, God, look at this volume on GJ. Like, come on, bro. Give me some fucking oof over here. Come on, boy. Is GU testing 1.3842 support level? To be honest, if you wait for this close in 9 minutes time, if you do close below here, it's gonna be good to fill up these wicks for sure. But yeah, it is on this kind of like big support line, so you have to kind of see. This is why risking into these trades over here, you know, it's not the way to go. Wait for this closure in 9 minutes time. If you do get a closure below here, it's gonna be looking pretty tasty. You can see clearly where gold is in the range, which is fine. GBP AUD closing above. Yeah, we're good. We're good. God damn, GJ though. Damn, son. FXCM Owanda. Ah. So it looks like FXCM is kind of like more blockier and Owanda's a bit more. Yeah, I was thinking that Owanda. Wait, am I on FXCM right now? Oh, I am. Fuck. Yeah, I'll have to change that. I kind of want to get FXCM away. Because my, pretty sure my service provider is Owanda. But look, you can see the past 30-minute candles have been printing, but like overall, look at the volume. Like 7 pips, god damn, that isn't enough for me. Hell no. We need some big volumes in this bitch. To be honest, these sells at 151,980 are gonna be pretty tasty. I'm actually gonna be liking that because look, that's gonna be leaving the 4-hour support right here. So for me, you know, if we do leave this 4-hour support right here, it'll be coming down and filling up these wicks. But yeah, guys, if you haven't liked the stream yet, make sure you like the stream. Let's get it to 70 likes today. Let's go. It's gonna be pretty good today. Nice easy day for USD bank holiday. Just waiting for that clear candles to give us some push off. At the moment, we don't have it at the moment. I mean, if this hourly does exceed the high of the previous, could be a good option, especially if you got a nice stop on it. But yeah, really just being patient over here. Being patient. Oh yeah, I'm getting that delivery with pre-market fuel. Let's have a look. Let's take a look at it. Profile over here. So I'm gonna try this out. It looks amazing. I wonder what flavor I get. Yeah, I'm wondering what flavor I'm gonna get. I fancy like any of them, to be honest. I've seen lots of them. They look pretty fire. I have a bit of caffeine as well, so that'll be good for the morning. Bit of a change from coffee because my coffee just gets cold, man. How much will your membership be? It'll be like I think it's like £50, like $49.99. But you can, so before I just did, I set up just PayPal, but actually now you can use credit or debit. You can use crypto, and I might actually put a discount for people who want to pay crypto, because I kind of want to get a bit more of a bigger crypto portfolio, to be honest. Just hold that bitch in. So yeah, so crypto, I accept Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum because they're the ones that I quite like. And I might put Cardano on there as well if you guys want to pay on that. I was like, yes, sure. I was like, yeah, you can trade. You can put you can use fucking coins like fucking 2, right? Lifetime membership or annual? It's monthly, but monthly. So you know you don't have to be here. I feel I don't want to do you a lifetime, or well, I could do a lifetime, but the main thing is annual. Like I want you to be not in my group for too long. I want you to learn as much as you possibly can in like maybe like 2-3 months, and then you're happy to do your own thing because you've learned your stuff. I don't want you to be in it for the long run. You know, I want you to be able to learn and do it yourself. That's the whole point of it. I don't want people to just be sitting in here, you know, doing my signals and just chilling. I mean, they could do that, but my kind of goal for it is to get people to where they want to be. The one thing that I see a lot of people, you know, failing on is the kind of, I think people do a lot of good trades, but there'll be one day where you fuck it up and you do too many trades. And normally a equity graph through trading should look like this. Okay, so it should go up. You have a little loss or a little couple losses, then it goes up again. Little loss, keep your losses small. It should be like this. Okay, it should be bullish. And I think a lot of people who actually can trade and pretty good keep on doing this. Okay, they keep on doing this. So they go up, you know, nice. They have a little one, you know, they're feeling good about it. They'll go up there, and then they have one day which does this, and then they try and regain what they've just lost. They might make a little bit, they're risking a bit too much, and then they'll go like this. So yours like a downward trajectory, and that's what mine used to be like. So I want to basically teach how to get out of that. So basically, the mentorship is going to be for people who know how to trade, who have been in my live streams, they know bullish, bearish, they know the structure. It's more for helping that last bit, which which I needed to learn, which took me fucking years to learn it, but because I didn't have anyone really. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be good fun. How do you change your bias when the 4 hour and the daily starts flipping to the opposite directions? Okay, we're pushing up over here. Finally breaking up this fucking range over here. I have low internet packet for use, 10 grams from, so I watch live stream with 240p video quality. Your video quality is good. Oh, that's good. That's good shit though, bro. Let's just get my fucking magic keys on this bitch. Get them on all my charts, yes sir. So we're breaking up here. Let's look at this hourly. Exceed the previous hourly highs at this point. Damn. So potential buys for 152, 200. That's good. That's good. It's starting to get some volume in over here, which I'm happy for. Let's just where's my magic keys would be. So if you go in now, let's have a look over here. 30-minute exceeding the highs, making support over here. Yeah, 8 pip stop isn't too bad to be honest, but you only be targeting these zones. That's about 1 to 1. Waiting for this hourly, waiting for this 50 minutes to close, which is in 2 minutes time, will be a good indication for sure. You're sponsored by Pre-Market Fuel, yes sir. Yeah, they reached out to me last week, which is sick. No one's giving up their ADA, lol. I was like, yes, you guys pay me with your ADA, bro. And fucking, I'll put V-Chain on as well. I like V-Chain. No one giving up their ADA. That's funny. Facts, bro. That coin's pretty fire. Which broker are you using? IC Markets. IC Markets. Yeah. IC Markets is it's pretty fire to be honest. It's pretty fire. I'm creased for that comment. GU sells, waiting for candle close. Let's have a look over here. Wow. Yes, sir. So, how many wicks do we have to this? Ooh, only 4 pips. That's a bit annoying. I don't like this wick thing over here. Let's have a look at these 1 hourly. Yeah, it's a good 30-minute looking good. I mean, yeah, as long as you get like a top wick up and then exceeding the lows, that could be a good option to be honest, for sure. Can we use magic keys in IC markets? Sure can. And if you want to use magic keys, make sure to use my link. Link is in my bio. Just use that link and then yeah, for sure, that helps me out. Hi, I'm down 2.5% on my funded account. To be eligible for payout, I need to go positive by 15th. Any advice? So the 15th, when is this? Yeah, you've got ages, bro. 15th is fucking ages away. You shouldn't be worried by 2.5%, bro. Trust me. 2.5% is fine, right? The one thing you need to think about is start thinking about the payout. Start thinking about when you need it by, because that gives you a false representation of trading. You know, you can't be, oh shit, I need to make this today. You know, just keep on trading with the strategy. You know, you have 2.5%. That doesn't mean you fucked the whole account. You know, you need to chill. You're completely grand. You're in a good spot. 2.5% is great. People on them funded accounts will be on minus 9.5. Trust me, they'll be wanting the 2.5%. You got a lot of time, and just keep on doing what you're doing. Stop looking at the numbers. Stop looking at the percentage. Just trade. Okay. 'cause that will stop you. Ooh, look at this candle over here. It's going to get a closure. For me, that isn't the nicest closure. Can you see we wicked up hard there? So for me, I'll have to wait at this point. You see that? I mean, it has closed below. I mean, making this top wick over here, if it does flip, this could be quite a good option. Isn't there too much traffic on both biases for a trade? For what? For GJ? Because for GJ, yes. GJ, too much traffic over here. Way too much traffic. Way too much traffic, boy. Let's take a look over here. Just move my MetaTrader a bit higher. There we go. I can actually see everything there now. Okay. Let's have a look here. You don't know how much that helped. Thanks. Yeah, man, bro. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Generally, don't think about that. That's completely fine. 2.5% is fine for me. On my fluid account when I did it, I was risking 1.4% per trade. So that's like, it's only like 15 pips. That's fine. Like sometimes you know you have to take 15 pips. That's fine. Don't worry about it. But even like 5%, it's good. You still got a lot of time. And is that for your first payout or your second payout? Because if that's your first, and even better, you can miss your first payout. It's fine. Doesn't mean you can't get the second one. GA 10 pips bank this morning. Oh, let's have a look over here. GA pips banked. Lovely. Let's have a look over here. Ooh, look at this 15-minute closure below at this point. The only issue I have is these zones over here, but with volume, it hasn't made a top wick yet. Not on my FXCM. I wonder if it has on Awanda. But that 15-minute closure over there is pretty nice. Seru play on GBP AUD. Look at this Owly. Owly should start coming pushing over here. This could be a really good option at this point. Let's see the range though. So if you go in here, yeah, there's about 5 pips to this support over here, which is not enough for me, which is highly annoying. But that's what you got to do sometimes. Where are you from, bro? I'm from Newcastle in the UK. How much account are you trading right now? A big one, a pretty big one, like 20 bands, 25 bands, around that area. Let's have a look here. And I've actually linked. Oh shit! Look at GJ. GJ's starting to push over here. This is decent. Nice. Nice. If you start exceeding over here, this is good. Yes! We get some volume, people. Holy shit. Yes, sir. This is going to be nice. I'm doing a 50k. 50k, amazing account. Start my funded account really soon, and with your streams and mentorship, I think I'll be fire. For sure, bro, for sure. Make sure you use my funded talent link, bro. It helps me out a lot. Yeah, we can definitely do that for sure. But yeah, as I said, I mean the fun and talent thing, you know, you stick with your percentage for the month. You don't change it because you know it's just good process. You know, when I was on fun and talent using a 50k account, I used a 7 lot, and then 25k obviously 3.5 lot, and if it was gold, it would be like a 4 lot on a 50k account. So yeah. So let's have a look over here. We're coming up to these highs. This is looking pretty tasty over here. The only issue is all this traffic. So yeah, let's have a look over here. Let's look at the 30-minute. I kind of want to 50-minute. Oh, we got a new subscriber in the building. Michaela, is it Michaela or Michaela? Thank you for subscribing to the channel. We are loving it over here. So closures above this zone over here, 152, 200, are going to be pretty tasty. The only issue we do is resistance over here. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, for me, I'm just a bit cautious with this now. So I like the buys above 15200 this zone, but I also see these wicks over here. Can you see? Like here, and here, and here, and here. So for me, I'm actually, you know, it's a Monday. I don't want to be risking having a risky trade. I'm gonna wait for a bit higher. I think probably above here or above here. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, let's just be safe today on a Monday, guys. Buys with 15200, 280 for sure. Oh shit, we're running up. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Okay, GJ. Calm your shit, bro. Calm your shit. Let's have a look at GJ's starting to fly over here. Look at this. Look at this volume, bro. So if I got in here, I'm just trying to move my stuff with you. I need to turn that noise down, by the way. Someone taught me how to do it, and I definitely need to do that. It's fucking annoying. That shit hella annoying, bro. This is looking good though, bro. I'm liking this now. This is good. The volume's coming in. Let's go. Will you stop streaming on YouTube? No. People keep on saying that. I will not stop streaming on London. London is gonna be free, bro. The only thing with my mentorship is that I'll probably do an NY session on Zoom with everyone in the mentorship. That's all. So there's no difference. Let's have a look over here. GJ is bussin'. GJ is bussin'. Let's go, GJ. Yeah, GJ's gonna look good over here. We just need a bit more of a push up over here, and it's gonna be nice for buys. So we've got a nice little 10 pip range at this point over here. If you actually look at the wicks though, the wicks are a bit higher. So yeah, these wicks came all the way actually up here. So I'm actually gonna do that. Even though the bodies of the candles are here, the wicks actually come up a bit higher. So here, I'll show you what I mean. I'll just zoom in a bit more. So can you see here? I have rejections at this point, but the wicks did come up at this point. Same with here. You can see the wicks tapped here. So 460 is the zone we can be targeting for sure. That's gonna be looking pretty tasty at this point. Where's this volume coming from? US, UK banks are closed today, right? No. UK's open. UK's open. So that's why I'm looking at trades. This is why I'm happy to look at trades at this point. HGBP. Oh, look at this reject. So the closure. This is why waiting for the top wick. If you guys haven't watched that video, I really recommend it, especially if you guys are new to solutions and a very poor quality solutions. What was up with the solutions today? Oh, solutions. What does that mean? Solutions. I don't know what you mean, my boy.
I think even the resolution.
Oh, the resolution. Is it not on is it not 1080p? Is it not 1080p, boy? Let's have a look over here. Have a look at video quality. No, it's 1080p, 60 frames. Look at advanced. Yeah, it looks alright, to be honest. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at that. What quality you see? Yes, that is it. Typing a bit fast over here. What quality can you not see it in? Where's the UK volume from? The US, UK. All right. So yeah, the UK banks are not closed. So this is the UK session. So because it's the UK session, the volume's still here. Oh, hello. 7 minutes time. If you get this closure below here, bro, sells on gold are gonna be valid at this point. Let me just pull this down a bit, like right here. Yeah. So if you do get this closure in 6 minutes time below the support, I mean, and we have a nice top wick up, bro, I'm gonna be entering. I'm sorry, I'm gonna be entering. It's people say it's gold, it's US holiday. Yeah, but it's London volume. The US isn't even open anyway. It's never open at London, so we're good. But yeah, as long as you get this closure below here, so this is what I'm looking for gold. Trust the gold sells. This is what I'll be looking for sales, guys. So I want this candle to close just below, preferably below these kind of wicks. The next one makes a top wick and then exceeds, and that'll be the trade. And that's what I'll be looking for. It's fine. They need to adjust their YouTube settings. Yeah, okay. I was thinking. If you guys don't like the stream already, wow, I hit 70 viewers here. Make sure to like the stream, guys. It really helps me out. And we're going to be hitting 1,000 subscribers soon. It's only taken me less than a month to hit 750. So, and yeah, my last videos, bro, I was saying my fucking YouTube been bussing, but like, look at this. I said like, fuck it, my YouTube account is like, what's it called? Bullish. Look at this shit. Look at these analytics. I think it's called. Fucking hell, my language. That's so bad. Let's have a look over here. Last 90 days. Look at that, bro. I mean, obviously it drops off for weekends, but bro, look at these higher highs and higher lows, bro. Look at these higher highs. Let's go. Stop loss matters, bro. If you got some shares in that bitch, I'd be bullish on that. For sure. Wow, look at the spike though. We just need to wait for this closure above over here, and we're gonna be good. But yeah, I'm gonna be focusing on gold at this point. Are you game for gold today, Antonio? Or are you giving it a rest or what?
Nah, I'm letting gold sit today.
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair, bro, fair. Yeah, we're hitting the hourly support, so I do need this closure in 4 minutes time. If it doesn't give me the closure, then yeah, there's no trade for me at this point, because the closure will give me a kind of confirmation we're leaving the zone. And if we do start exceeding these lows over here, where are we going to go? So let's actually have a look. Oh, shit, we could reverse this whole move at this point. Damn. Let me just pull this up a bit further. So that was a resistance over here, so this could act as support. We've got these long wicks to fill, so let's have a look. If I go into a trade over here, about this zone, let's have a look. 30 pips. Yeah, that's pretty tasty. But I need a nice top wick. Gold's a bit choppy in the 15-minute. Is it? At the moment it's not. Price action's good, you know. The wicks are making lower lows and lower highs. I just need the closure below the zone at this point. Wow, 44 likes, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. Oh, we've got a new subscriber, Nico. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, guys. Amazing. I think the 15-minute was a bit choppy because it's Asian, but yeah, I'm happy to take this trade if it's in 3 minutes time, for sure. So we'll wait for that at this point. Let's have a look at GJ. Our volume's still coming in nice. What the fuck? Zenab. Oh, are you speaking Lebanese? Is that the language? Lebanese? Jeez. I wish I could speak another language, bro, but I just can't. At school we try to learn it, but bro, I'm just not like that. My memory's fucking god awful. Oh, I got a question. $704 profit on GBP AUD. Wow, amazing. Oh, look at this. We're gonna get the closure. Holy shit! Just wait for the top wick. I'll start a recording just in case we get a trade at this point. Let's take a look over here. Just getting my MetaTrader and stuff ready. So let's have a look here. It says, "Who is your mentor?" So for me, I've always been open with who's my mentors, but well, I never used it in mentor, but I watched Raja Banks for 2 years straight on his live stream every day. So that's basically who I learned most of the technique off. I also used George A, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I think that's how you say it. I also used Monty. I like Monty with his lines. Obviously, he had quite a lot of lines, so I kind of made them a little niche of like only 2 of them. But it's just using a lot of people's kind of thing to give you your own process, because no one can trade the same as any other person. You're all different. So don't just go, oh, I learned off him and I only use his. Like I use Ted for his closures and waiting for the lower wicks and top wicks. He used to use that in gold all the time. And his break-even kind of a thing. So he took a lot of break-even trades on gold. He always does. And yeah, it's just using everyone's, because what's the point in just using one person's when you can use basically everyone's? But I've always been open to say, yeah, I use. Never bought any mentorships, but I've definitely learned a lot from Raja for sure. How did you come up with such a creative YouTube name? Well, obviously when I was younger, when did I do it? When I was like 19 or something. I saw Raja's, and Raja's wicks don't lie. I was like, okay, that's pretty good one as well. I was like, shit, what could I do? I was like, what's really important? I was like, yeah, stop loss is pretty fucking important, isn't it? So I go, stop loss matters. I like it, but I don't like how it's quite a lot of syllables. Like stop loss matters, like 1, 2, 3. It's quite a lot. I've recently been following Control Effects pretty good. Yeah, Control Effects is fire, bro. I was on a stream. I was at a stream a couple of days ago. He's fire. His discipline's amazing. I love the way he trades. Very, very disciplined. For sure, I fucking rate him. I rate him a lot. But yeah, like using your own thing like this. I use my trading journal all the time. I write in that bitch nearly every day. Just gives you kind of an insight, and you can look back and see what you've been saying and stuff. Like for example, I wrote quite a lot when I was younger. When I started, like actually get a strategy and stuff. I started to say, a lot of people in the industry, like I remember Raju saying that you know, like if he takes a losing trade, can he re-enter that trade? And he goes, yeah, I'd probably re-enter. Now for me, personally, I don't do that much anymore, because if you stick to your discipline and you stick to your rules, if it doesn't work the first time, it's probably because price action is just garbage for that day. And what I realized was that if I took a loss on one day and tried to take it again, I'd probably lose again, and therefore I've just lost, you know, 20 pips basically on the day on the day where, you know, price action just wasn't there. So if I take one losing trade in the day, I normally leave the day, because price action for me wouldn't be there. But that's something I've learned. And then if it's good days where I take nice trades very, very easy, I'll happily take more trades, because price action is good at that day. There's good volume. It's with its, you know, it's making higher highs, making higher lows. It's not being the twat. So yeah, I trade like Raja, but I always I always like to look at 1 minute to look for entry, which was learned from Jeff. Yeah, see, exactly. So using lots of people's you know, ways to trade and stuff is amazing for stuff like that. But you can kind of see everyone in our industry, like, you know, who you basically know, all trade the same. We trade, you know, closures and breaks of zones. It's just how you enter. It's how you risk manage. It's all about that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's have a look here. Is Control FX a product of Raja's live stream too? I don't want to say, but I think Raja actually said he was on stream. I don't know. Control FX is learning his own thing as well. But I don't know. All I know is they're pretty fucking good traders. But yeah. I say this and I say it again. I respect every single trader who live streams, or who's a part of a live stream, or who gives, you know, I don't care how good he looks on Instagram. If he doesn't do a live stream, that shit's dodgy. Because you can't fake.
Facts.
You can't fake a live stream. It's fucking live.
Yeah, it's live.
But and then like there'll be some people going, oh well, they don't have their, you know, MetaTrader up. I don't give a fuck if they have their MetaTrader up. The guy's speaking facts. If you know, you can learn pretty easy if they're talking bullshit or not, because he's trading live. As in, like, he's trading, you know, live. He's speaking to you right now. He's saying he's entering a trade. If the trade didn't work and he didn't enter anyway because he's faking it, he's still talking about a trade. Like, you know, I don't know.
I think people are more concerned about, like, how much money you're making. It's like, don't look at my pockets. Focus on the education that I'm bringing to you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like,
I feel like that's what a lot of people are lost in.
Yeah, it's very, very true. I mean, and the good thing is, like, my live stream now, you can literally go back at the end, because I'll have, like, trades taken, trades called. You can see how many losers I take and see how many winners I take. You can just go back and fucking see them all.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So,
because at the end of the day, as traders, that's also, like, our financial information. Like, that's also, you know what I mean? So, like,
yeah,
for many purposes, you don't necessarily have to show, you know, your profits. Because, like, over here in the US, like, with the IRS,
yeah, like tax and shit, bro.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Like, you don't really want to mess around with that too much. So it's like,
yeah. If you're like flexing, making a good little band, mate, I'll have HR and fucking taxman coming to my door.
Yep. You'll be shocked.
I think that's the reason. Yeah, I think that's the reason why. Because they'll be knocking your door, go, bro, we've just seen you fucking make 250 bands, and you think, where the fuck's this money? You go, oh
yeah,
shit.
Where's the money? Yep. Especially like if you ever in a position of like where they're auditing you, like,
yeah,
bro, it's So focus on the trades, people, not the money.
Yeah, it's facts. Uptown A. Speaking of control effects, can you break down what a salary play is? Sure thing. As I know it's a word play on organic trading, but can you use please? Yeah. So for me, and the salary play that I like is when the 50 minutes. So I can't do an example over here. This is kind of actually being the salary play, but let's just do it on a better chart. Let's have a look at GG over here. Oh, by the way, also the reason why I'm not too asked about gold is because we didn't get the closure here. Can you see? I didn't get the closure. Closed right on support. Can you see there? So for me, there is no sells at this point. Have to wait maybe a bit longer. Let's do a salary play. Okay, let's have a look at let's do an example. Try and find one. Maybe I'll just have to draw one out. Okay, so salary play is something like this. So it's normally on the 50-minute time frame. I like looking at salary plays. It's basically when, you know, a candle's bullish. So imagine if we're coming up over here. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see. But I think he has a video explaining it, but this is what I kind of grasp with it. So, you know, you get a closure. Oh shit, I don't want that to be red. So like, imagine this candle comes up here, closes nicely like this, okay, and you're like, okay. Then the next one, it never exceeds the high, and closes bearish like this, right? So like this. So forget about this one. The celery play is when you've had a bearish candle, and the next candle, you know, opens over here, makes maybe a lower wick over here, and then starts exceeding the high, and you take a buy when you exceed the high of the previous bearish candle. And normally I like taking this when this is the 50-minute time frame, and the 30-minute is just flipped bullish. So that's my perfect. So obviously here, you know, 50 minutes goes bearish. When you exceed the high, if this is on the 30-minute, it looks like this. So if people don't get this, because it's a 50-minute, obviously two 50-minute candles make a 30-minute. So if this looks like this on the 30-minute, 1 second. So just moving to the 30-minute here. So imagine this is the same candle, but you know, we make that bottom wick over here, and then we exceed the high of the previous bearish. This is also, I expect this to look like this on the 30-minute. So that's why I really like the celery play at this point on the 30-minute, because all candles are still bullish. It's just the 50-minute had a little break, made a pull down, made the lower wick here, and then started running off. But yeah, bro. Peace and love from Controller FX's community. Keep the value, man, bro. Controller FX, the boys are in. Are you using breakout strategies every time? Yeah, zone to zone, breakout strategies, whatever it is. Yeah, it's just price action, bro. So are you breaking? Live trading is correct education. Facts. Rajesh Comtech is SNR. What does that mean? We all do it, lol. So it's not a thing of copying. If you don't do SNR and wax it, you're stuffed. Yeah, facts, bro. Peace and love for Control Effects. He is a boy. Are you using breakout strategies? Yeah, done that. Live trading is what education is. Videos on YouTube showing past moves on pairs and saying, oh, you could have caught that. See, this has happened is not practical. Very, very true. Small world. Support and resistance. That's all it is. That's all it is. So let's have a look over here. 15 minutes. We've got 8 minutes time. If you do get the closure here again, that could be another option. But for me, really be holding this. It's going to take some time. This 30 minutes got 22 minutes left though. But if this is the top wick over here and we do start exceeding here, it could be quite a nice little trade. Oh yeah. Let's have a look at GJ's. GJ kind of struggling over here. So this is why, you know, impulses, like, they're very, very hard to get, because look, this impulse over here, you probably could have got 10 pips at this point, 15 pips, but, you know, now we're reversed. Gonna hit your stop loss or break even at this point, but yeah, we've still got 22 minutes waiting for closures. It's gonna be good. Let's see, 47 likes, guys, amazing. 53 views on a Monday as well, and a Monday on a bank holiday as well. I wonder what the percentage of my followers are from the US. I don't think it'll be too high, to be honest, because you guys, your time zone, especially Antonio, bro. Fucking time zone's whack. Let's have a look. GPUSD over here. Oh shit. Look, this is a salary play nearly happening. So look, this is a salary nearly happening on GU over here. If you do exceed the low over here, this low, this 15, this is also the 30-minute. Look at this. So, you're more enjoyable to watch, listen to than Raja. That was kind of the niche I was going for. I think Raja's quite, you know, he's obviously older than me. Kind of, I try and make it a bit fun for like younger people and shit. Then definitely a lot better than Luke Trades London. Oh shit. I actually haven't been on his stream, to be fair. But I bet he's a good trader as well, man. Good shit. I don't have any beef with anyone, bro. I keep that to a minimum. You also only trade gold and GJ. Yeah, gold and GJ's been the thing. To be honest, sometimes I do trade GBPUSD, and at the moment I am kind of looking at GA at this point. So, you know, when you start getting used to you know, oh shit, we've got a new subscriber at this point. Puro FX, thank you for subscribing to my channel. So yeah, like, as you start getting used to one pair, what I used to see Raja do is he used to backtest gold every day. So what you do is you just mark up the charts and go, yeah, I'm looking for sells below here. And he'd be doing this for like a year without even placing one trade. And then he starts placing them, and look, he only trades gold now, basically. So, you know, what you do is you just analyze the chart every single day, see if you're correct, and just do this for like 3, 4, 5 months. And then when you've got kind of a good basis, you've got good data behind it, then you can start trading. There's no point jumping things now. Like, obviously, it works quite nicely, but it's that whole process, you know, doing it for a long time. Like GJ, I fucking been doing GJ for 3 years now. So like, GJ is like my little bitch. GJ's just there vibing. Look at that retracement though. Wow, that was like some that feels like some just random volume. Completely random volume. Damn. Let's have a look at Discord. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, make sure to do it. It's pretty fire. GJ looking up. No volume today though. Ooh, wow, you did catch that move. Did you catch that move? Wait, did you say no volume today though? USD and Cal Holiday. Damn it, flew. Anyone watching GJ? Damn quick scalp. I mean, yeah, breaking that 100 level could have been a decent idea. Yeah, you would have got like an 8 pip stop. The only issue is you have a lot of traffic here, and you can see now we came back. Gold coming back down to support. Okay. Thank you for telling me. I'll take a look. Okay. Oh, we're flipping. Oh, where's this candle? It's got 4 minutes time. I'm gonna wait. I want closures in gold, especially, you know, at this very, very key level support over here. If you do get this closure over here, it's gonna be nice. Preferably below this zone, actually, now. And it looks nice in the 30-minute, but because I'm looking at the 50-minute, I want the closure below this zone over here. And then wait for the top wick up, and then... Phew. The one thing that I'm liking, though, is that this candle's wicked all the way back up in this zone, and then came all the way back down. It's kind of suggesting that it doesn't really like this zone over here. So yeah, I've got a busy day today. I'm filming 2-3 videos for the mentorship, which I'm going to be having in the Telegram. So when you come in, you've basically got 3 hours of videos already, which would be pretty sick. And I'm going to also make a free Telegram just to kind of like show you what kind of is involved with the live and stuff like that. GU makes a good move sometimes, but most of the time it has small ranges, less than 15 pip ranges. That's why I can't trade it. Yeah, very, very true. That's what I've been saying. Yeah, GU look, the moves look good. And you're like, oh shit, this is dropping, and then you look and it's actually only dropped like fucking 4 pips. Strong support on gold, yes sir. That's why we're waiting very, very patiently for some nice candle closures. Some nice candle. So like for me, the reason why I don't care about fake outs is because the way I trade is so, you know, kind of, it's so kind of niche, and you know, it's very, very easy to not get faked out. So like look over here, you know, if this candle does close over here, it's not like I'm entering straight away and then waiting specifically. If this runs off like this, I'm not entering. Okay, I'm waiting specifically for the wick up into this zone. It kind of vibes in the zone for a bit, and then when it exceeds over here, there's a high probability that we are leaving the zone at that point. We've made a top wick, we're starting to exceed, and this is the candle trade. So, you know, the kind of process of me getting faked out, I've eliminated. The first one was waiting for a closure. Second one is I'm waiting for the wick up. This fucking wick up. You know, that could just run like this and then close back in the range. So it avoids me from being faked out that zone. And if we do start exceeding down here, the probability of me winning is very, very high because we have left this zone. So that's why my fake outs for me aren't too bad. And if you guys don't get that, make sure to go on to my YouTube channel. I'll show you the video that you should watch. I mean, it's 30 minutes long. It is quite a lot, but like maybe on like a weekend or something. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, this one. Best Forex entry. Basically go through my entry and how it works and all that kind of good stuff. So make sure to check that out for sure. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, look at that rejection. Damn, GJ. So GJ later on today. We'll have to see if thing is London US volume won't bring anything, so we'll have to be patient over here. But that's fine. That is completely fine, boys and girls. Let's take a look back on Discord. Wow, we're gonna hit 200 members soon. Jeez, 200 members. That's gonna be fire. Oh, is my coffee cold, man? Ah, God, that's fucking revolting. I need to get one of them heated bottom things for sure. Tom Bailey sent. He's my GJ player. I'm 75% out now. Can't seem to send on the stream. Okay, I'll take a look at that. Sloppy day. Yeah, but the thing is though is that you've turned up. A lot of people sleep in. And you know the days, and this is what used to happen to me, bro. I used to be like partying, like I'm a big partier, like I was fucking out until 3 a.m., 4 a.m. I'd wake up, try and get to the stream, pass out again, and the days that I wouldn't get up were the days that I flew. It would happen every fucking week, and then I'd wake up one day, get to the stream, nothing there. I'm like, well, that was a waste of time. I'll sleep in the next day, and then that'll be the move. So the thing is you have to be there every single day. Thank you, Ashton, for subscribing to the channel, guys. We're growing nicely. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, give that a like, guys. We are nearly at the 1,000 subs, bro. 1,000 subs, amazing. With the Magic Keys giveaway, bro, this is gonna be sick. But yeah, make sure to drop a like, all that good stuff. And then keep the notifications on so you get notified when I stream or upload a video. So let's have a look here. GBPAUD at this point. Ooh, we got some nice sells, like swing sells at this point. Damn. So for me, you know, with these kind of trades. Oh yeah, this is Bailey. I think you sent me an Instagram as well. Runner now only for GA. Stop was above the right shoulder of the 15-minute pattern. Nice. So now, like, where is your targets for these runners? Because as you can see, I mean, people won't be able to see on stream because it's quite small, but we're coming towards the support over here. Can you see? Oh shit. Coming towards the support at this point. You know, is it gonna break below the support straight away? Probably not. It could probably go up and then maybe down again. So it's where's you gonna put your stops? Probably above that candle, I would say. So 1.86200, I'd probably have it there above those wicks for me. Who was your mentor? I didn't have a mentor, but I just went on Raja's stream. So through Raja's stream at the point there, if you guys, because Raja's stream's a bit different now, not many guests on, but I had Mac on there, who's good fun, Ted, Raja, like just the big boys. Yeah, just learning from them. But it was just graft though. You know, it doesn't come easy. You know, you have to be there every single day. I was there for 2 hours every day for fucking 2 years. It's like, that's so many hours. Lovely. Wow, we're getting lots of people coming in. But remember, guys, if you're new to the Discord, make sure to just click on server rules and click that button, or you won't be able to see shit. Remember that. Ooh, look at that rejection, bro. Damn. So you can see we are consolidating pretty harshly over here. Did you trade on your MacBook before? Yes, I did. I used what's it called, Boot Camp, to get Windows on it. Probably not a good idea to trade NY session. Just trading for London session, get 1 or 2 trades in, calling it a day. Yeah, I think leaving US session today would be amazing idea. GPAG potential buys of 1.8641. Let's have a look over here. 1.8641. Is that where I've put mine? Yeah. It's kind of where mine is at this point over here. So for me, yeah, let me just mark that up a bit nicer. See price action. I just love looking at price action sometimes. Like, look at this. How sexy this is. Wait. Can I have it there? Is this Asian? Yeah, it's Asian. I don't really care about that. Yeah, mine's like 1.8635. Get breaks above here. But look at this. Now we are hitting resistance. Can you see? So resistance is here. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? Damn. So resistance is here, here, here. But can you see it was also a support as well? So support and resistance is so key. Because when it was a support, it can also act as a resistance later on, and vice versa. Possible sales if it closes below on GA. Closes below. For me, no. There's no sells for me at this point. There's gonna have to be sells. Maybe. Look at these big wicks though. To be honest, sells below 1.85700 for me. Clear all of this garbage. The daily will flip after this yellow line, and then we can start doing this. Nice. Don't forget DVS for live stream music. That was it. How did you know that though? DVS is it? Wait, let me write that down because you sent me it on somewhere, and I literally don't even remember where you sent me it. I couldn't find it. DVS is what it's called. Okay. Is it free? DVS. Gold will break that support. That is my bias. We have to wait another longer. So look at this 50-minute close on it. We have to wait for this 30-minute closure over here. I'm smart. How the fuck do you know? Wait, it's a DVS. Let me just try this. DVS. Is it like free? Is it DVS? What's it called? DVS like music. Ah. So I use this. That's a music store. I'll have to take a look. Yeah, 30 minutes time. This is what I'm waiting for, guys. Over here. I mean, this top wick and then to close. Wait 1 second. Like this and then like this. Next candle to make a top wick and then boom. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay. Let's have a look here. Some more charts. Did you say you sent something in the chart? What the fuck is that? FOREX simulation zip. Oh damn. What was I doing? What the fuck? Charts for stream. Did you say there's something on charts for stream? From last day. Oh here, yeah, I saw it. That's mad. I know it's just the different liquidity providers. It depends like what your broker is really to look at. It looks like FXMC is a bit like choppy. I don't really like that. Whereas Owanda's kind of just like the wicks. I don't know. Depends what you want really. Doesn't really make much difference though. It's kind of the same thing. The next oak says smarter. Lol. I'm smarter. I hate that terminology, bro. I'm smarter than you. Let's have a look over here. No, we chilling. GJ playing. God damn, some people would have got slapped on them buys over there. Damn. Oh no. So waiting for closures over here. Very, very important. Yeah, guys, we're gonna hit nearly 60 likes at this point. It's just amazing every single morning. It's a shame. I wish I could tell the markets to give me something, but at the moment there is nothing. But I am still keeping an eye on this. Oh, the hourly's gonna close. If the hourly closes below, that's gonna be pretty tasty. What I'm trying to say is people may have got faked down that zone. What up? Found you when you came onto Don's stream. Oh, I love that, bro. Thanks for joining, man. So you're up for the London. Thing is, Don's not up for London. I said, oh, you should come on the stream at one point. And he's like, bro, I'm fucking sleeping. I was like, yeah, fair. It's like 4 AM where he is or some shit. Not like Antonio, though. Antonio's here every day, bro. Jeez.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's fire. So do you go to bed after this and then do uni work after NY or what? How does that shit work?
Oh, nah. Like, no, because I take online classes this semester.
Yeah. I remember you telling me.
So I'm just chilling for real. I usually just procrastinate to lead the work onto the weekend because I trade all week.
Yeah, that's what I used to do. Yeah. Are you a full-time trader? Yes, I am at the moment. Oh yeah. But you know, I still keep my options open because I'm not stupid. You know, I've just finished my maths degree, and I still do apply for like the big jobs, the big boy jobs in like Manchester, like PwC and stuff, which I did. But yeah, this is kind of what my passion is. So, you know, applying for like jobs and stuff like that, I know it's like nice to get security and stuff and, you know, not risking, but like it's just boring. Like, I don't want to be an accountant because that shit is fucking hella boring. But yeah, it's just keeping your options open and stuff. But yeah, at the moment, full-time trading, it's been not too bad, to be honest. I got 11 pips on GJ, caught that push up, nice, at 151 100, was it? 152 100. Yeah, like this push up over here, the 50-minute closing above. To be honest, that 50-minute closing above could have been a good example just with pushing. 6 minutes time, I want this closure to be. How much do you win in a month from trading? Win. I love that, like win. That's like proper like gambler's mentality. I think I probably take about. Well, I've said it before. Like something like 14%, 16%, and then sometimes it's like 36, 46. It depends on basically gold 100 pip buys. But averaging like 4% a week is like an average normally for me. And 4% a week isn't that bad. How many challenges you failed to achieve? Wait, how many challenges you failed to achieve? What do you mean challenges? Like as in like fun, funding challenges? Because I haven't failed any of them. But do you mean like in general, like how many like challenges, like I don't know, like blowing like accounts when I was younger or stuff. I don't really know what you mean. I worked at EY, did the accounting, and then moved into IB. The accounting is just a stepping stone. Yeah, that's true. To be fair. How much P I'm making? Well, just do the maths. If I've got like a 30k account, I'm making like sometimes 24, you know, 25, 30% a month. Just do the maths. Do the maths, bro. But yeah, soon I'm moving to Manchester, bro. I'm trying to get so my boys will move in there as well. So I'm gonna get a season ticket to Manchester United, but like Manchester, what's it called? Like apartments, Central City Centre. Yeah, and I said like the one thing that I need, like the boys need, is we need good Wi-Fi. I want a what's it called? I want a balcony, a big ass fucking balcony. I wonder how rent is in like other people's countries. Like, do you guys like, oh shit, this is like expensive or not? Like, look at this, fuck. That shit vibey. It's quite small though, but like a massive building. Like, look at that view though. That's like a proper like FOREX trader Instagram, like where like I'll be like, someone take a picture of me on the balcony. I've got my fucking MacBook there, like with a chart on. That's like fucking stereotypical FOREX bullshit. Oh, fuck off. Who the fuck's this kid? Yeah, I moved that guy. It's fucking pissing me off. I think some guy, not percentage. Yeah, I moved that fucking guy. It's annoying me. So yeah, how is it? So like last month, like 20%, 30 grand. So it's like 6 grand, like 6 grand a month. Not too bad if you ask me. But to be honest, I barely even take it out because I don't really spend that much, to be honest. So I kind of just compounding that shit. Will he be coming on Control Effects today? Maybe if he lets me on, I'll definitely be in the chat. Probably go say hi to him. For sure. Dollar caught 500 pips live on German 30. I wish I could have caught those buys instead of GG. Thing is, yeah, but Dr. Dollar's doing well with the G30. Yeah, for sure. Bot alert. Yes, sir. Oh, let's have a look over here. We're getting this closure. Oh, 2 minutes time. Come on, this hourly needs to get it. This hourly needs to get this closure. What about GU? Let's have a look. Oh, damn. Look at that. The 50-minute close below as well. That would have been a trade and a half. Thing is, it looks like it's run, but like, has it actually? No, 5 pips. But over here, we should be coming back to the next zone over here. We actually didn't get the closure on that one, but the 50-minute did over here. I said the salary play, didn't I? The salary play actually kind of didn't happen. Didn't exceed the low, but now dropping down. So your stop loss here, if you entered on the break of these lows, would be 7 pips. So yeah, you're not here yet, but if you think GU sells are going to be pretty nice. Back to this zone over here. It should fill up this zone. So yeah, in like 19 pip zone. That's pretty fire though. Do you think you'll trade for the long term, like making serious money like Raja? Well, there's no point. Why would I be here if I didn't want to, if I didn't think that, for sure. I trade the same as Raja, so I don't know why I couldn't. Don is not trading today since USD bank holiday, also CAD holiday. Yeah, I think I actually heard him say that. That's true. That is true. Come on, minutes time. Get the closure below, bitch. Look at that. It's struggling. It's like, bro, it's close. But yeah, guys, make sure you spam the like button if you haven't already. Get that to 60 likes. That'll be amazing. Get them 60 likes in. 60 likes in. And yeah, we'll be here every single weekday. It's gonna be pretty fire. But yeah, look, we're still not getting this closure at this point. 50 seconds time. Looks like we're really holding respect in the zone. You be like, kinda looks huge, then you measure it 5 pips. That's fucking so true. Oh yeah. I know, it is a bit of a pain in the ass. Bit annoying. 30 seconds time. We're gonna get this closure over here. Look at at this.
GJ is straight barcode today.
Yeah, bro. Look at that. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm contemplating calling it a session for
Bro,
London.
facts.
Just-
I'd definitely do that, bro.
Mhm.
Get some rest. To be fair,
Yeah.
NY though. NY is, you know,
Yeah,
it's
I got
bank
NY.
holiday.
I'm gonna see what's good.
I
I
just-
doubt that it's gonna move during NY.
Yeah, same. News is coming in at GBP. Ooh.
Oh, we do?
I said at 9:30. Yeah, construction. It's not too big, to be honest. I mean, if it's big numbers, then it could be decent, but it's normally not high impactful, to be honest. Does it come out now? Oh no, 9:30. Still got 30 minutes time.
Yeah.
Where we have a look over here.
Give it a last look.
News coming in GBP. Whereabouts in the UK are you from, man? In Manchester ways. Nah, Newcastle. So it's like a bit. It's a bit higher up. So closer to Scotland than Manchester, to be honest. Do you ever use buy stops and sell stop? Yep, I use buy stops and sell stop quite a lot, especially with you know, candle flipping and stuff. I always use buy stops, sell stops. It's just really good way to get into, because it means you don't enter early because you don't have FOMO, because you know you'll enter the trade at that right time. And it's already done. You don't get a slip really. Geordie boy, yes sir. How do you guys know that? Geordie boy.
Max,
Yeah, bro.
I think I'm about to hop off, my G.
Fairs, my bro.
Great session today, just no volume on GG.
Yes sir. What can you do, eh?
Alright. Yeah, you can't do nothing. Just gotta carry on to the next session.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Well, I'll see you
Alright,
later, my
chat.
boy.
Take care. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Definitely gonna be volume tomorrow. Everything start back.
Sir.
Late, so
See you
get
later,
it.
Antonio, bro.
See you later, my G.
Jeez. I'm from Blackburn. Oh, jeez. You're not even that far. Jeez. Blackburn. Where the fuck? How do you use magic keys? Bro, come on. There's YouTube videos about it. Just use it. You just press like look, you just press like, if you just go here, wait, my magic keys. So if it's on screen, on like the MetaTrader, you press F7 and it brings up this, and then you just change what you want to risk, all that kind of shit. And the alerts, yeah, I need to get this fucking alert off. This is annoying as shit. How do you do it? Yeah, I'll just change these because they're fucking. I hate the noise. The noise really annoys me. There we go. No, don't save it. Just press OK. Okay. There we go. GG. Oh, gold over here. Oh, snap. For me, we didn't get the closure we wanted though, so it can't enter for me. Cheers, Ant. Bro, I got a question about IC markets, as you have been using it for a long time. Yes, I have, for a very long time, for sure. Go ahead, ask questions about IC markets. Wow, a lot of people joined today. Amazing, guys. Welcome in the chat. I'll be talking in NY session today, so make sure to be there. Yeah, any questions about IC markets and fun talent, just go for it. All the links, by the way, to everything is in my Instagram. So if you look over here, we got all the links in this squad. Take care, my bro. OG Propaganda was here as well, my boy. But yeah, here's all my links, so links to get there. IC market spreads, I use them too. Yeah, bro. IC market spreads, they're fucking sexual. I wouldn't be promoting a fucking broker if they had shit spreads, because we depend on good spreads. Do you get a withdrawal limit and need a withdrawal using international bank? I'm from UK. It depends on how you've what's it called? How you deposit the money. You need to fill up like the spot. So for example, if you use PayPal for the start, you need to use you need to withdraw all of the PayPal money, and then you have to use wait, do you withdraw limit and need to withdraw using international bank? Jeez, Dr. Dollars in this chat. Did you get them Jim and 30s? Jeez. Oh, look at that, wick down. Fuck, nice. Holy shit. I'm waiting for this closure over here in 15 minutes time. Look at this hourly as well. Ooh, it's gonna be tasty. Just go to your sound settings and lower the sound of the broker, because what you will do is remove it temporarily till you close and reopen a different pair. Ah, okay, I get you. Yeah, Dr. Dollar's in the chat. Jeez. Go and look at his YouTube as well, guys. Make sure you subscribe to him. But yeah, with the withdrawal limit, just if you have any questions, just go to check J30. Let's have a look here. Let's see if you can get that bitch on. IC Markets, just email them. Their emails are pretty good. They give a good description of everything. What was it called again? Is it called J30 or DAX? Wait. What the fuck's it called again? Is it this? I think it's this, isn't it? So let's have a look at some trades. Damn. Okay. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Damn. Using that 4 hour over here. Anyone in here near Canary Wharf? Bro, I've been Canary Wharf vibing. In London? Jeez. Let's have a look over here. So 4 hour, pretty fucking bullish at this point. So where would your stream would have started? Let's have a look over here. So you'd be in here. Oh damn. Bro, so like for me, if I was looking at this chart over here, you know, we got a solid resistance level at this point. This would be the candle that I'm kind of enjoying at this point. So for me, you know, let's have a look at the stop. Stop for me would have been 100 pip stop. Clean candles to the left, targeting this next zone over here. Damn. See, for me, that would have been fucking. That's where I took it. Jeez, I told you, bro. Bro, we trade fucking too similar. 900 pip nut. Did you have a 100 pip stop? Because that's a 100 pip stop and 900 pip gain. That's a fucking sexy trade. This wiki would have been grand as well. So 6 o'clock, 6:30 is a really good time for this. Look at this chart. Let's have a look later on. Let's look at 6 a.m. So not much volume here until 7:30. So exceeding these highs over here. Damn, nice. Mate, and then them runners as well. Them runners wouldn't have. So if you got in here. So damn, that's fucking sexual. Do you always do 10 pip stops? Yes, I do. Always 10 pip stops for me. Nothing any higher. Nothing any higher because, well, this is on GJ. If it's on gold, I'll probably go to maybe 20 pips because I use half risk. So, but look at that rejection. See, it's really important to wait for candle closures here to get a solid trade. Yeah, guys, if you haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like that bitch. Make sure to like that bitch. Gold is a demon. Bro, I used to be in uni, and one of the days, bro, it makes you greedy as well, bro. If shit starts melting and you don't take profits, like fucking hell. Oh my god, will this person please fuck off? Report. There we go. Right, I'll fucking move him. Hide user. Oh my god. So let's have a look here. Yeah, still waiting for this closure. Looking for a bit more time. Look at this 15-minute. GBP/USD over here. Ooh, it's gonna close in 6 minutes time. Is it really respecting the zone? Are you vaccinated? I've had one jab, but I don't really care about it enough. So, but I do need a second one, to be honest. Just so I can go to the clubs. Because in the UK, apparently you can't go to the clubs now if you're not vaccinated. Some fucking bullshit like that. But yeah, I couldn't give a fuck about COVID. Literally couldn't give two shits about it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look tomorrow then, when everything's all new and open again. Let's have a look. 8:30, we got some news. GBP isn't that big of a news, which is grand. Let's have a look at the next day. 4 PM, we still got some news. Yes, it's not too bad. We're looking good. We're looking good for news tomorrow. And we should be having a delicious time. Oh, look at this. This is why, you know, waiting for that closure is really, really important. And GJ need to get out of this fucking zone, bro. How much is your account's growth rate per month? So it's ranging from like 16% to 34%, I'd say, at the moment. Everyone join his VIP coming out soon. Yes, sir. 12th of September. I think it's 12th. Is it 12th? Yeah, 12th of September that shit comes out, and it's gonna be pretty fire. I'm gonna do a post today on everything that's included, but yeah, 12th of September, keep that date in. Let's go. Oh, look at this, it's flipping. It's flipping. Look at this 15-minute candle. If you have 5 minutes left, let's look at the 30-minute. Ooh, this could be tasty now, guys. So for me, I mean, you could get in here, stop loss 5 pips, target 15. Could be a good option. Are you bearish on GJ today? No, I'm not, to be honest. I'm just kind of waiting for a break above and below. I'm not bearish at all because, you know, look at the candles. We're bullish at the moment. This 4 hours is going to close in 49 minutes time. If you do close bullish, then, you know, we're just ranging. Daily, close bearish, so, but we've nearly exceeded the highs. It's just very, very rangy. You just have to wait for the closes above. Do you trade on C Trader? No, I actually don't. I've seen C Trader, and the shit looks like a fucking astronaut's like terminal, bro. Like, look at this fucking C Trader, bro. Let's have a look. Let me have a look at like C Trader's like fucking terminal. Yeah, look at that shit, bro. I look like it's like I'm fucking driving like a fucking spaceship or some shit. I'm joking. Nah, I don't know. I just like MetaTrader, but like look at that shit. Damn. Look at that shit. Damn. That shit fire. That shit. I'm gonna be like fucking shooting a rocket and some shit. That's what fucking Trump's button looked like in America. Just that fucking terminal. I'm still waiting for closures over here. Might be NY session until we get it for sure. Would you wait to break the previous candle wick on GU to take the sell? Let's have a look over here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so it would have been probably exceeding these lows over here. Yeah. But look at that. Look at that wick back up. Damn. The only issue is you can see at this point you have a little support over here. So it is reacting on this. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, the 30-minute still got 18 minutes time. This trade is still nice. As long as you don't exceed the high of the previous one. What the fuck is this? What is the thing? Oh, there. As long as you don't exceed the high of the previous one, it's still valid. Top platform. No, apparently it is really, really good. I've just been used to MetaTrader. I'm joking. I don't know. MetaTrader's been fine for me, so I don't know why I would change. That's the only reason. Let's have a look. GBP AUD still chilling over here. Nothing much going on at this point. Yeah, it's been solid though. Even on Monday and like people are not really here, we're still getting like 60-70 viewers. It's just fire, considering we just started like 4 weeks ago. Let's see how many subscribers we're on as well, bro. We'll be nearly hitting the 1,000. If you guys are new here, make sure mark that up over here. We're gonna be pretty good. 762 subscribers. Daveson. Report this lame. What's the question mark for, bro? I think I did report him. I know I need admins and shit. If you guys want to be an admin in the YouTube, just holler at me on Instagram. I'll kind of sort that out. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Damn. So, you know, impulses here, you know, as long as you take profit quickly, it's good, but, you know, very, very risky. Because now you'll be in some serious drawdown. Oh, wait, is Minecraft music copyrighted? Will the guy like fucking do? I'd love to have Minecraft music on here. I'm a Minecraft like fucking G. GUP NZD, what do you think? Let's have a look over here. I'll do a fresh analysis of GUP NZD and then we may have to call it a day. Let's have a look. NZD.
Now, if you're like me and constantly on the go, then you don't get time to sit at a laptop and
Shut up. So let's have a look at the daily time frame over here. Oof. Ooh, hello. Oh, that's a good question, Martinji. Is your name Martincio? That sounds like Italian. Are you Italian? Let's have a look here. Daily time frame, 4 hour over here. Okay. So it's pretty. You can see the downtrend over here. We are pretty bearish at this point. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, we're heading up to this wicks over here. Can you see this candle did close below though? But we have dropped a lot significantly. I mean, look at this hourly. So hourlies are quite choppy here. I don't like price action with GBP NZD. It's pretty ass. But for me, you know, we're looking as usual. Sells below 1.93636, and potential buys. This zone over here won't be big enough, nearly. I don't think. So for me, we buys above this zone over here. 94256 will be the buys. So this is a really good question here. My question was, how you manage trades at 10 pips? You move stop loss to break even and take profits, or just move and let it run? So at 10 pips, you know, if we get up the trade and, you know, it comes towards my 7-8 pips, I'll put my stop loss to break even. Normally my stop loss is even actually tighter than 10 pips. Normally it's like 7-8. And you know, the one thing that you need to do is, you know, most times when price starts moving, it retraces. It goes up 10 pips and retraces. So at 10 pips, I'll take off maybe, you know, 70-60%. It depends on the zone. So like, let's have a look at GJ here. So for me, like, breaking zones of here, these will be 10 pips. If I want to get some sells over here, I can see the potential for sells is quite big. For me, I may take off less. I may take off 50% because I know that, you know, this could be quite a good, you know, 30 pip move over here. It all depends on the setup, but yeah, definitely, you know, stop loss or break even 8-9 pips, you know, area, because, you know, you can always re-enter the trade if it, you know, turns back on you and it hits you a break even. You can never re-enter a losing trade, so just keep stop loss to break even. Break even trades are fucking amazing, very, very good. Week they made good sells. Yeah, I think, damn, really big NZD sells there. Yeah, for sure. Let's look at G. Oh, look at gold over here. Just need this closure at this point. We need the closure. But yeah, very, very slow day today, unfortunately, but tomorrow will be a better day for sure. If you guys don't like the stream already, make sure to like. Thanks, good tips, bro. Yes, for sure, man. The tips, always ask the questions. I really like the questions. The questions help me out. Why is this so... There we go. Yeah, the questions really do help me out over here. I like them. I like that. You know, if I have to, you know, answer questions all day, every day, I love that shit. Yo, 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 let's go. We're gonna hit 60 likes, guys. If you haven't dropped a like yet, make sure to drop a like for the stream. But yeah, today, what I'd advise doing is maybe just wait for tomorrow. Have a nice break of a day. Just, it's a bank holiday in the US. Just vibe a bit. I'm about to go to sleep, but just want to say hi and show some support. I love it. Love that, bro. To be fair, yeah, I'm gonna be wrapping this up very, very soon because we are in a barcode and gold. Ooh. Ah, nah. For me, still not there. Still not there for me. Bitcoin retest 335k. Oh my god, this fucking guy. Holy shit. How do I do this? Oh my god, this person. Report. Yeah, I'll do this again. Right, let's have a look here. Yeah, so 11 minutes time. I mean, you could wait for this closure over here. Let's look at the hourly. Oh, that'd be nice. I'm gonna stick around a bit longer. Innit? What the fuck is this? It's so annoying. Go away. How do you get rid of them? I've hid user. Yeah, Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Bitcoin over here. Let's do some analysis. It's probably a bot. Yeah, but who would do that though? You need mods for that soon. Yeah, bro. If you guys, so what would mods do? Mods literally just sit there and delete his messages. Like, is that kind of how it works? I don't really get it. I'm like a boomer for like this kind of shit. Let's have a look at Bitcoin over here. Okay, yeah. Well, if you guys want to be some mods, bro, holler at me. Bitcoin USD. Yeah. I've hid him from the channel, but I only hide him for like 5 minutes, and then the fucker comes back. So this is USD. 35k. Fucking hell, 150k. What the fuck? Oh, but this is with US dollar. Okay. Ooh, shit. I need to check my crypto then. Holy shit. Yeah, delete spam messages and bullshit comments. Yeah. Oh, can you? With Dr. Dollar, how do you do that? Do you click on his and fucking you can hide user from the channel permanently. That's how I click on his name. It just says. Oh shit! Yeah, my crypto is starting to fly, bro. My VeChain, XRP, my fucking Bitcoin, and Ethereum shit flying, boy. Jeez. Hell yeah. Mate, let's have a look at this weekly time frame over here. Oh, look at this. You close below, above support over here. We'd be coming back up to these highs at this point. Oh shit, we are Project Go-Go. Let's have a look at the weekly. How much did it drop though? Oh shit, that shit. To be honest, look at that price action on the weekly. That shit's easy. Yeah, that's true, bro. Look at this. This price action's fucking easy, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this retracement, right? So we came up, nice clean candles, make support of this zone over here. We then run up, nice, make the highs, and then we range a bit, fall down, clean candles to the left, do the exact same move. Where do we end up? And the same support, we react off it again, and now where are we coming back up? Amazing. Yeah, for sure. I mean, Bitcoin on the way again. Let's have a look at ETH. Let's have a look at some ETH over here. I got quite a lot holding the ETH. This is not the right one. It's like fucking full ETH USD. Yeah, top 4,000. That's great. Let's look at this weekly. Whoa, snap. Good night, my boy. See you later, my boy. Wow. So we did close above, but not solidly above, but wow. This is the biggest it's ever been. Shit, look at this. Oh my god. This is pretty rad. Damn, son, damn. Let's get back to gold over here. We're gonna get the closure. We are not at this time. 8 minutes time. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Been a really good session. We've been talking about quite a lot of stuff. We broke down all the pairs, but unfortunately, volume is not here for us today. But it'll be a new day tomorrow, and we'll get some nice volume. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the stream, before you go, make sure to like the subscribe button. Not like the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Helps me out dramatically. You guys wouldn't even know how much it helps, bro. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. It'll be an amazing day. So you guys, see you later. Peace out. Peace out. Adios, amigos. Make sure to like that button, man. Like that button, guys. Love it. Love it. See you later, guys.